Hello everyone, welcome to ServiceNow Guy. I am Gunjan Kiratkar, a ServiceNow developer, and my motive behind the channel creation is to spread the knowledge related to the ServiceNow with the long and short videos. You can reach out to me over LinkedIn or the Twitter for any kind of support regarding the ServiceNow. So in this video, we will learn about the view rules and how we can implement that for any kind of tables into the ServiceNow. So basically why we use the view rules? It is basically used to restrict the views for certain users, or if we wanted to restrict the view for all the users. So in that way, we can apply the view rules to the any tables. For example, suppose I am opening any incident from here, and after opening, you can see that the default view is applicable for this particular incident, as well as if you click on these three lines, then you can see here views, and there are a lot of views present for this particular incident. And currently it is on the default view. So as you can see that there are end user views as well as the major incident, lot of views are present. So if I wanted to restrict the end user view always for this incident table, then how we can do that? So in order to do that, we just need to navigate to the view rules under system UI, and from here click on the new button. Now it is asking us to enter the name, then match conditions as well as name of view, and in which table you wanted to apply that particular view. So in order to write down the view name, we need the uh, backend name of that particular view. So how we can get that? Just type view in the application navigator, and under system UI you can see that views are present. After that, just write down here end, so that you will get this end underscore user underscore view, which is the end user view. You just need to copy this name end user view from here, then paste it in this view, and then select the table as incident. Device type you can select browser, mobile, and tablet. Three types are available. We are applying this on the browser level, so I am selecting this as a browser and writing down here apply end user view. In the match condition, you can apply the condition on the basis of the fields present in the incident table. So suppose if I am applying the condition on the basis of active, if the incident is active, then we need to make the view as the end user view. So I'm just saving this record. Okay, I'm refreshing the list view, and this first incident is in the state of new. So if I'm opening this incident, you can see that the view with end user view is automatically restricted to this particular incident form. Suppose if there are multiple conditions you wanted to write down, and that cannot be fulfilled on the basis of this particular uh, conditional filter, then what you can do is you can click on this advanced button, and it will show you the uh, uh, script section in order to write down the script. So suppose if I wanted to restrict any view on the basis of the current logged in user, then what you can do is you can basically check the condition from here itself. As suppose I wanted to check if the I wanted to check the users department from the user record, then I can use the gs dot get user dot get record dot get display value, and then the backend name of the department field from the user record, and I can check if it is from any department by passing such department value from this if loop. And after that I can pass the backend name of that particular view into this answer. So currently it is a null. We need to pass that view view name. So it is a end user view, and you can write it down here. Okay, got it. So you can write down the advanced condition using the script, as well as if there is not having any advanced condition, you wanted to write down any condition on the basis of the fields present on the table, then you can use the normal conditional filter as well, and you can apply that particular view on the basis of that. So this is the short demo regarding the view rules in the ServiceNow. Hope you find it as helpful. Please do share it with your friends and colleagues. Thank you so much.